Hey friends, this video is about how to stream Netflix on Discord with audio. I am going to show you a very easiest way right here, so let's get into it. Simply open up your Netflix browser here, and just click over the three dots from the upper right corner. Then from the drop down go to the settings option here. From the search bar search for hardware accelerations. And then turn on this hardware acceleration. Now go back to the Discord browse that I have already opened. Then go over the server option. And from this drop down menu click over the stream room options here. Now from the bottom, you will get the option to share your screen right here. Then click over Netflix over here. And choose the audio settings of your choice if you want to disable it or not. And then click over the share button from here. It will take a few seconds to share your screen properly. And here you have streamed Netflix on your Discord. So, this was the simplest way to stream Netflix on your Discord. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.